Hey friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. Don't mind my mess I got going on. I'm in the process of cleaning my kitchen. Be perfectly honest with you, I am half-assed doing life right now between clinicals full-time, school full-time, and classes. This is the first time I've cleaned my kitchen in like a week, so just saying, don't judge. But it'll all be over soon. Anyways, okay, so the reason I wanted to come on today, we did this DIY. If you didn't see it, I'll link it in the description. But normally like we do things and then move on and that's it. But I had to come back to this. Like this turned out so good. Like it turned out so good. And I need you guys to know that this turned out so good. So the smell got even better once it settled. Okay. So it just works well. And I have been using this at night, like just because a lot of times I'll put Vaseline on my skin at night. But then the thing is, it's so lovely because I smell so good all night. Now, granted, I'm sleeping by myself. Hopefully you are not. But regardless, like it smells so good. And then the other thing is, because I used the Baccarat Rouge, I will take it and just put a little bit on, like where I'm gonna put perfume and then put my perfume over it. And I have a double layer. So I always get complimented on the Baccarat Rouge, but I've been getting complimented even so much more. So let me tell you, this is an awesome DIY. So good. Like I just, it's been a week, little over, and I just wanted to come back and let you know that yes, this one is truly a good idea. So I'm going to be doing some more of them. Now, I wanted to also show you my other idea besides just the perfume. Sorry, I put a lot of this on. I just gotta rub in the Vaseline. Okay, so the other thing is, so I have all of these flavors. They're P&J, and they are they're premium fragrance and they're fine for skin. So I got them to do like body scrubs and things like that. So I'm gonna use this and make some different ones. Like this is Dad's. I can open it. But there's like fresh cut wood, clove, bay rum, sweet tobacco, coffee, and bacon. Like I feel like I can make some really good fragrance from that. And so autumn, this is vanilla snickerdoodle. There's harvest spice, apple, forest pine, and then brown sugar. Like I feel like I'm gonna get together and just look and find some different ones that I can, like some different combinations and just try it and see. But I just think that this would be awesome, especially like if you put Vaseline on your feet and stuff like that. Like I just think this would be great. Like this one is nature, rain, forest pine again, bamboo, ocean breeze, sandalwood, and then I have bakery, I have elements, Hawaiian, and I have summer. Like I feel like I use those for like making candles and stuff, but I feel like I can do like some really cool stuff in here. But I just had to come back and like just do a follow-up on this, because it really, really worked so good. I am so impressed by this. So I just wanted to make sure you guys knew. All right, my friends, I'll see you later. Have a great day, and hopefully I'll get a project I'm working on done this week. We'll see. School's a bear right now because it's the last few weeks. So, all right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.